when we were kids,
Yes.
walkers were everywhere.
Yeah.
So it was a rampant.
Right.
ठीक है, हर घर में एक walker तो होता है बच्चा है तो.
Absolutely.
I don't see them now so much, but my question is very direct. Like, क्या walkers negatively impact करते हैं बच्चे की growth?
Correct. So exactly, as your childhood was, I come from a small part of the country, so we used to have the lakdi wale walkers. So they used to put us in between that lakdi wale walkers.
Okay.
Do they really help? Yes, it helps the mother. She can do her work at home. आपने बच्चे को उसके अंदर डाल दिया, बच्चा गिरेगा नहीं, भागते रहेगा उसके साथ, टकराएगा तो चोट नहीं लगेगी. That was the whole thing, and we have to understand it from the mother's point of view. माँ के पास हेल्प नहीं होती थी, सारा घर का काम करना पड़ता था, किचन का भी काम करना है, झाड़ू पोछा भी करना है और बच्चे का ध्यान भी रखना है.
सही बात.
Father used to be out working. So we should not say that it was a neglect, but of course it was the lack of knowledge. When the child or toddler is growing up, चलना शुरू करता है, वॉक करने लगता है, वॉक करेगा तो गिरेगा, because now the brain is starting to learn of how to balance the muscles. When that balancing act happens, walking is a part of it. बच्चा जब चलेगा तभी मसल सेंस करेंगी, तभी वो वॉक का गेट का पैटर्न फिक्स होगा. If you're putting the child inside a walker or something which moves on its own, वो मसल्स का फंक्शन वो वॉकर कर रहा होगा, which is quite abnormal in a way. And that is the reason why, with the advent of education, and now mothers have helped, the family support has got better, and the fathers have become more cooperative in bringing up the child. So that's why they are going out. But from the science point of view, from the orthopedics point of view, from growth development point of view, of course they were never good. This was just a arrangement which was done just so that the mother can be free most of the time and she can do her work. But yeah, the straightforward answer is that absolutely not. वॉकर बिल्कुल इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए, बच्चे को गिरने देना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स एक सेफ एनवायरनमेंट आप क्रिएट करके रखो ताकि उसे चोट ना लगे, बट बच्चा जितना गिरेगा उतनी जल्दी चलना सीखेगा.
That's very well put. And the reality of life भी है ना.
And that's how
Yeah,
the whole life works. And the faster you learn, earlier you learn.
Right. In fact, हम just अभी बात ही कर रहे थे just before the show, right? I said, what does really kill you makes you stronger.
Exactly.
So true, right?
But don't make the environment safe around the child.
Yeah. I mean, that's the best as a parent आप कर
Which
सकते
you
हो, है
can
ना?
do, yeah, correct.
Thank you for watching this clip from the Dr. Dad Talk Show. Be a part of our parenting community for trusted guidance and clarity.